Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 5a 5G. This was a gift from Google, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description below. Now let's get to the unboxing. All right, let's see what's inside. Ooh, there we go. Check that out. Just black is the color right here. Looks really nice. Next up, you can see we have the SIM removal tool. And we also have some user documentation introducing us to our new device and how to set everything up with our old device. And then our safety, warranty, and regulatory information. 18-watt standard power brick USB Type-C. USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, and we have our USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter that we can use to connect our old device to transfer our data to our new Pixel phone. And that's it. That's all of the package contents. Now for fun, let's go ahead, let's peel off the wrapper. So check out our display right here, 6.34 inches, and you can see our hole punch selfie camera. Here it is from the side. We have our volume buttons and our power button. The power button has a nice texture to it. Here it is from the back side with our center fingerprint sensor and our camera modules with the Google logo. Here it is from the bottom. You can see USB Type-C port and our speakers right there. Here it is from the other side. You can see our SIM tray. This also features eSIM. Here it is from the top. We have our headphone jack. That's it for your unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching.